showing turbulence at 280.
We need to adjust the curvature here. Let's rerun the CFD.
To achieve speeds of 300 kilometers per hour, the aerodynamic planning must be precise.
Forming of these structural components is critical for trains that reach speeds of 300 kilometers per hour.
Precise robotic welding ensures a strong and seamless structural assembly, essential for bullet trains traveling at 300 kilometers per hour.
Balancing of the wheel sets is crucial for high-speed stability.
Exterior finish is crucial for bullet trains that can reach 300 kilometers per hour. Schematics confirm position 4B is correct. Ensuring reliable electrical and systems installation is paramount for trains reaching 300 kilometers per hour. Systems go. Diagnostics are green across the board.
Final approval granted. Ready for pressurization.
process of how bullet trains that reach 300 kilometers